Hey guys, this is Miss Early. And this is the video on the torn paper formal portrait. This is the formal portrait that you took, and this is the editing that we are doing to it. I wanted to create a video first on how to create the marble painted background that you need to complete the assignment. So the first step you need to do is come to Pixlr X. There is a link in Google Classroom for it. And since we are going to be basically painting in Pixlr and creating a image ourselves, we are going to come here on the left hand side where it says create new. Okay, I'm going to select web small right here on the left. You can see like a little blue bar will show up to know that it's been selected. Then I'll hit create. Okay, you should see a transparent background, basically a blank image. Down here on the bottom left, you have a little symbol that looks like a paintbrush, and that is the draw tools. So I'm going to click on that. It will automatically select the brush tool for you. I would suggest if you move your mouse onto the blank image, you can see how big the brush is. I'm going to increase the size of it fairly large, and I'm going to choose a color to paint the background. If I click on this little white oval right here, it allows me, scroll down a little bit, to select any color that I would like. Okay, so I'll pick one and then I will paint the background. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna decrease the size of the brush a little bit. I don't want it to be as big as it was. There we go. So I'm gonna choose a couple of other colors, and I'm just gonna kind of randomly paint them, basically diagonally across. I'm gonna pick a couple of different ones. I can change the size of the brush and mix it up. But really you're just sprinkling colors around, if that makes sense. Okay. Then you can change the size to make things a little bigger. Okay, so once you have just a good variety of colors kind of all over, might add a few more, maybe a little white or something. You can go ahead and close out of the brush tools once you have all your paints kind of sprinkled around, like I said. And you're going to come up here to this little swirl symbol that's liquefy. These liquefy tools we have used in the past. If you have pop-ups, just get rid of it. We're going to use the swirl right and the swirl left tool. So I'm going to change the size because I want it to be a little bigger. And then you're just going to bring that over here and just kind of start to swirl and smear these colors together. Okay, and I like to switch it up between right and left. I don't want all of my swirls and everything to be the same direction. But you can move it around while you're still kind of swirling and get this kind of smeared effect. And you're gonna do this all over to create your marbled effect. Okay. So you would do this all over the image until it looks the way you want it to look, okay? So I'm going to just do a little bit more over here. Let me switch back to the different directions so not everything's the same. Okay. All right, and then once I'm satisfied with the way that it looks, I'm going to come down here to the bottom and click save. I'm going to save it as a JPEG, which is just a regular image file. You can give it a title and then download it to save it. Okay, so guys, that is the first step in creating the marble background for your edited torn paper formal portrait.